Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make fish tacos today, so follow along and enjoy the process. Alright, so we are going to have lime, cucumber, and we have some pepper, a little bit of tomato. I'm going to cut up some of this green onion. And we're gonna need some of this cilantro. And then I also have shredded iceberg lettuce. That's already been prepped for me. Alright, so we have our salmon fillet here, and we're going to start by patting it dry with a paper towel. This is important so that it sears well. And same on the back side. We have the skin. The skin is left on. We're not going to remove the skin until after it's cooked. And I'll show you what happens when you sear it well. It comes right off. All right. Now we're gonna add spices. All right, first we'll do some salt, just a little bit, and some garlic powder, some onion powder, some cumin, basil, and chili powder. And now we're going to rub it in. All right, now we're going to get a knife and we're going to cut this in thirds. Now that we've seasoned our fish, we're gonna go turn on our pan. I have a cast iron pan. And we're gonna add oil to it. Maybe about a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, not very much. Just enough to fry it. You could also use butter or bacon grease, any oil or fat that you prefer. And you're gonna wanna make sure that the pan is very, very hot. We're cooking this, we're searing it for about 2 minutes on each side. And that's it. We don't want to overcook the fish or it becomes dry and very fishy tasting. You're going to want to have your pan lid ready because it's going to start spurting everywhere. But we're going to put our salmon fillet skin side down. And you're going to watch it shrivel up. That's what we're looking for. That's why it needs to be on pretty high heat. You're looking for that skin to shrivel up in the oil. Right, let's put that pan lid on so oil doesn't splatter everywhere. And we're gonna cook this for 2 minutes, and then we're gonna flip, cook for another 2 minutes, and pull it off immediately. All right, 2 minutes is up. So we're gonna kill the heat and pull these off and put them on a plate that has paper towel on it to drain the oil. And you're gonna wanna let the fish rest for about 5 minutes before you touch it, just to let the just to let everything rest and reabsorb the meat juices. All right, I'm going to peel the skin off our finished salmon. See how easily that comes off? The more fried the skin is, the easier that will be. So let's do this one as well. See, this one probably wasn't fried as well as crisp, but it still is coming off very easily. That is my hack, for my tip for getting the skin off. Make sure that you sear the skin very well. Here is our finished fish taco. If you're interested in learning how to make these flour tortillas, go ahead and watch another video that I've made that shows how to make these flour tortillas, and I'll even make sure to include the recipe. Enjoy.